Now we move on to the problem number 4. Okay, you can see here line AB dash mm long is inclined at dash to HP and dash to VP. Its middle point C is dash mm above the HP and dash mm in front of VP. So it is nothing but middle point problem in projection of lines. That means first we construct this midpoint. From there I'll be proceeding. That is first I am going to write that midpoint C. From there I'll be considering the length. So in this problem I'll consider the true length as 80 mm, angle of inclination to HP 30 degree and angle of inclination to VP 45 degree. Okay. So draw the XY line by taking thickness 0.25 mm. Mention XY, VP, HP. Okay, now for the midpoint, I'll be considering a distance here 30 mm above HP and 45 mm in front of VP. Okay, this is where we should mention that C point. That's what the midpoint here. So from this midpoint, I'll be drawing the true length. Okay, true length I'll be drawing it. So from this midpoint end, length 40 and angle 30. So later I will be extending this to 80. Okay, the other side. So this is 40. So I'll be extending this line. See here, parallel, you get the parallel symbol. Okay, length will be 40 and angle will be 150. That is what. Okay, you have drawn one true length for a length of 80 mm and angle 30 degree. Convention, this is A dash, this is B1 dash, I'll consider this as B1 dash, and this is C1 dash. Okay, in the same way in the HP plane also I'll draw the midpoint line. So for showing the angle, okay, I'll draw a smaller line from that C1 dash, horizontal line. Okay, yes, from this end. Zoom in and show 30 degrees. Yes. In the same way, the same procedure I am going to follow in the HP plane also. So take a line and give the length 40, and here angle I'll consider that is minus 45, that is 45 degree. Okay, so measure the angle, measure the length and extend this line using parallel line command. So that is, we should extend this line for a length of 40 mm. Angle is again same 135 degree. Okay, okay, mention the namings here also. So this is the end point A, other end point we have B2, and this is C2. So you can see we get only the with the straight line we have the midpoint. Okay, so now with respect to all these reference endpoints, okay, first we'll mention the angle, then we should mention the locus lines here. Okay, so I'll be going to line and mentioning the locus lines here for all these endpoints. For endpoint of B1 dash, C1 dash, so everywhere we should mention these locus lines. Here also you can see that there is a dotted line appears. Just moving the cursor over that point and just you drag it, you'll get that dashed line. This is where you have to construct that locus line. Okay, now using this true lengths, we should construct the upper end lengths. Okay, so that means we have to, so we should not rotate this true length, sorry. So we have to consider we should rotate only the upper end lengths. I think this is wrong here. I'm going to redo it again here. I think this step is not correct. Okay, so like this we should do it. Rotating it by rotating the upper end length. So we're getting A dash and B dash. In the same way we can mention A and B. So that completes the problem.